Hi, welcome to AirSaver, your easy to use packaging solution that will help cut your costs and give you the best protection needed for your products during shipping. AirSaver is the perfect replacement for any traditional packaging materials such as paper, peanuts, and even bubble wrap. Unlike AirSaver, these traditional packaging materials can be messy, expensive, and just lacks the overall protection needed for your product. AirSaver, there's no binding contracts, just a simple agreement. The machines are free accessories, and free shipping on all AirSaver products. Packaging with AirSaver is quick, easy, and reliable. Any shipping operations, big or small, would benefit from using AirSaver. Our machines are compact, plug and play, no training required, easy installation. One machine can generate both air pillows and cushion wraps. Here at AirSaver, we like to think outside the box, which is why I want to put together this quick video showing how to package items using our air pillows and cushion wraps. First, I'll use our 12 by 16 inch cushion wrap to line the bottom of the box. This will make sure that all the voided space is properly filled at the bottom of the box. Then I'll begin adding items in the box. Next, I'll use the same cushion wrap to fill the extra voided spaces along the sides of the box. Now that all the voided spaces are filled at the bottom of the box and along the side of the box, I'll use our 8 by 8 inch air pillows to fill the voided spaces in the middle of the box. Finally, I'll use the same cushion wrap I used to line the bottom of the box as a top layer void fill. Now, quick shake test, no movement, good to go. Thank you for your time today. We sure do appreciate it.